the herd.
Flamingos. Pink power. Flamingos are born gray, but turn pink from eating shrimp, algae, and plankton packed with carotenoids. Nature's food coloring. Standing champions. They sleep standing on one leg to stay warm and save energy. Scientists think it's comfy, but it's still a mystery. Upside-down eaters. Flamingos dunk their heads upside down to filter food from water using their special beaks, like built-in strainers. Sky Squad. They fly up to 375 miles, 600 kilometers, in one night during migration, soaring at speeds of 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Mud mansions. Flamingos build volcano-shaped nests from mud to keep their eggs safe. Baby flamingos, chicks, stay in creches, daycare groups, while parents hunt. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance because they're fabulous.